Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how I edit my client picture. First thing, I move the picture to my Faceapp. This is the Faceapp. Now I'm going to skin to smooth the picture. I'll click on this place here to change to enable me to work with multiple tools. Then I'm going to click on smooth. Now I always leave the smooth at level 5. Then I'll click on turn. If you notice the face is now looking too bright, now I'm going to click on turn to reduce the brightness on her face. Can you see that now? I'm going to click on apply. This is the before and this is the after. Now I'm going to save this picture and move it to Facetune app. I'm just going to share from here to my Facetune. I'm using the Facetune one because it has endless zoom compared to the Facetune 2. Now this is my Facetune 1. I'm going to tune. Then I'll click on picker. What I'm going to do here is to correct the skin tone on her face. I'm going to make the face and the body the color to blend. So I'm zooming in. Then I'll tap on the face. Then I'll click on move. Go back. Now I'll click on tone. Then I'm going to use my hand to apply the color on her body. I'm applying the same color on her face, on her body. Can you see that? Okay, I made a mistake here. Erase. So this is it. It's affecting parts of the bag. I will erase it. Even her hair, I'll erase that too. Then I'll move to go back to tone. I'll move to her hands and brighten those dark spots on her hands. I'll brighten them up. Okay, now click on the check mark. So secure that layer of editing. Now I'll go to smooth. Then I will use my hand to smoothen her skin. Smooth her skin. Then any parts of the face that's still looking rough or patchy, I'm going to smoothen those areas too. Then I'll move to her hands and smoothen her fingers. Okay. So I'm going to click on the check mark. I'm coming back to the hand because it's still looking dark. Now I'm going to pick a color from this other hand. Can you see the color has already appeared on palette? What I did is I'll click on picker, then I'll touch the place I want to pick color from. The color will just appear to you on picker. Go back to tone, then use your hand to paint. Can you see that? Okay, I'm good. Now I'm going to brighten the eyes. Now I use sky blue to brighten my eyes. I'll drag this to where sky blue is. Then I'll zoom in and paint the white part of her eyes. This is the before and the after. Going to reduce, let me reduce the whiteness, the brightness on the face a little, on her eyes rather. Okay, I'm good. Now click on the check mark. Now I will save the picture and then I will move it to my InShot for final polishing. Okay, now this is the InShot. Click on photo, add new project, then click the picture, the first picture that appeared, then go to adjust. I'm going to reduce the brightness a little. Now go to tint. I will increase my tint a little. Then curve. I will increase the blue. I will increase it to dark 80. Then I'll go to sharpen and increase my sharpen. I think I'm okay with this. Now this is the final picture. Then you export. Now your picture is ready.